भाई आज है मेरा फेवरेट वर्कआउट ऑफ द वीक. वी आर गोइंग टू ट्रेन arms, just arms, nothing else. We're going to start with biceps, easy bar curls, and then do a preacher curl, and then also some Bayesian cable curls. Then triceps के लिए 2 exercise मारेंगे. That's what's up. I'm going to push hard. I'm going to ego lift today as well. It's going to be a sexy session. So this is the heaviest barbell at my gym, 45 kgs. आज ego lifting session है, so of course we're going to use the heaviest weights possible. 45 kgs, 3 to 4 clean reps at least. Let's go. Come on, one more. So guys, आज की डेट में 45 kgs के मैं 4 रेप लगा लेता हूँ. In the coming 2-3 months, I should be able to get at least 7-8 reps. We're now going to do a preacher curl, single arm preacher curl. As many reps as possible. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, last. Fuck yes, ego lifting for the win. The last exercise for biceps is going to be the Bayesian cable curl. Now this is a great exercise for the biceps, primarily because you're curling with your shoulder in an extended position. You see, when your upper arm is extended and then you curl, the biceps have the best leverage. You know, the other elbow flexors like the brachialis, brachoradialis, they aren't contributing as much as the biceps. So a lot of people think that cable curl is great because of the lengthening component, which is true to some extent. But the main reason is because the biceps have the best leverage with the shoulder in the extended position. Today's Gyan for you. You know, Gyan chodne ke liye to mere paas bahut kuch hai, but I just don't talk, you know, because I know you guys aren't interested in all this science. We are now moving on to triceps, and this is a tricep push down. Now usually I do a standing tricep push down, but lately I've switched to this seated variation. So this tricep push down with my elbows to the side of my body will bias the long head. Triceps का long head कौन सा होता है? ये part. जब आप ऐसे tricep दिखाते हो जो नीचे hang होता है, वो long head है. Now मेरा long head insertion बहुत ही टट्टी है. मेरा insertion literally यहाँ पे ख़त्म हो जाता है. जिन लोगों के बड़े triceps होते हैं, उनका long head literally यहाँ तक ऐसे निकल के आता है, right? आपने देखा होगा वो bulging tricep. So that's the long head. Now I am trying to improve my long head. That is why all this fancy setup, push down के लिए भी chair लेके आना. अगर मेरा long head well developed होता तो मैं लौड़ा इतना करता, ठीक है? But yes, if you want to bias the long head of the tricep, you want to do a movement in which there's elbow extension, but at the same time your upper arm is fixed. You could do elbow extension with fixed upper arm even in an overhead position, but if you do an extension in the overhead position, then it puts your long head in a slightly biomechanically disadvantaged position. So if you want to bias the long head, the best way is to do a push down and keep your elbow next to the body, keep the upper arm fixed, and just do this. Do you guys even care about all this science? I doubt you do, ठीक है? इसलिए मैं science में जाता ही नहीं हूँ. But as a coach, it is my job to know all this basic information, so I keep myself well read and educated. So the last exercise that I'm going to be performing today is a tricep overhead extension, and I perform this unilaterally, यानी single hand के साथ. So I use a D handle and I set the cables at about waist height. I'm going to put a slightly challenging weight because today is an ego lifting session. And then the idea is that you want to extend your arm in the scapular plane. So you want to align the cable with that scapular plane. So let me get into position. Don't keep your elbow too down, don't keep it too up. So extend in the scapular plane and make sure that the cable aligns with your elbow position. भाई मेरे ईगो लिफ्टिंग सेशंस में भी थोड़ी बहुत साइंस होती है, बट या द पॉइंट ऑफ दीज ईगो लिफ्टिंग सेशंस इज़ टू जस्ट feed my cock, you know, just to make myself feel better about myself, that I'm strong. But these ego lifting sessions also remind me from time to time that I'm weak as fuck. So yeah bro, it's a double-edged sword. Done for the day, let's go now. Guys, आप देख रहे हो ये पिंपल पैच लगा रखे हैं मैंने. I'm hoping it works. But yeah, any which ways, अभी मैं बार्बर के पास जाऊँगा, ये दाढ़ी वाड़ी उड़ाऊँगा, and I'm going to go meet Saigal. Like I mentioned, he's back in Bangalore and we've decided to meet today. So let's go barber and then meet Saigal. Welcome Saigal back to the vlog.
What's up?
How are you doing?
Better than you. Bye big man's blessings, bro. I'm doing good because of big man's blessings.
He's gotten fat.
You can see it already, bro.
He's gotten fat. It's not fat, okay? It's wealth.
It's wealth.
Is that wealth tum-tum? It shows that, you know, he's doing well in life. Bobbies, the three of us are now at Anand Sweets. This is what life is about, okay? Go to Anand Sweets with your homies and feed them chum-chum. Guys, if you're ever at Anand Sweets, then you should try this. What is this called? Kesar Malai, okay? It is single-handedly Anand's best creation. Look at that, man. Look at that. Tell me that doesn't look good, bro. Yo, Saigal, that looks good, no?
I approve.
Looks good, no?
Banger.
Banger. Sir, ek baklava almond tart. So I've asked Saigal and Raut to surprise me with one sweet. They're going to give me one piece. I don't know what they're going to give me, but whatever they give, I'm going to send it now. What did you get me?
This is the one we've chosen.
What is it? भीम की शक्ति धूम मचाए सामने कोई टिक ना पाए छोटा भीम छोटा भीम छोटा भीम ए ओडिया.
Bro, that shit was... Wait, this...
Now I'm trying the fried chicken at Roxy. Let's see if it's better than BYG ka fried chicken. Oh, this tastes like KFC. Chicken skin isn't as crisp as I would like it to be, and it's not juicy enough. And guys, the last thing that I've gotten is a burger. A lot of food today. Fried chicken, soup, pizza, and then Anand Sweets. We've eaten a lot. Guys, to end this meal, we've gotten some desserts. Both are chocolate because this Odia boy only likes to eat chocolate.
Why are you bringing Odisha up in every fucking answer?
Because you are Odia, right, at the end of the day?
So what, bro? I gave you some banging manchow soup or not. That was my recommendation.
Okay, first we're trying this. I don't know what that is. Oh, that's amazing. But it's very rich. Fuck, this one dessert is so heavy. The ice cream is insanely good. This dark chocolate is rich. That ice cream is creamy.
Holy fuck.
Yeah, it's really good, bro. Really good dessert. Fuck, Roxy figured the dessert game out, bro.
Dinner is good. Only thing that makes it better is big man's paying. You guys are paying technically, but
unfortunately, these guys aren't paying because this channel is not monetized. Although it's eligible for monetization, I still haven't turned it on. Because how much will I make? $1 out of these videos. Let's try this cake now, guys. Even this looks pretty nice. Look at this candlelight dinner with the boys. Alright, Bobbies. Oh, fuck, there's a layer outside. Raut, wait, let's show them what's happening here. Pull it out, Raut. Pull out game. Let's show them your pull out game. You know, put it in your mouth. Is it better than the last one?
No, the ice cream made the last one better.
Ice cream makes anything better, right?
Yeah.
Put ice cream on a broken relationship, even that'll get fixed. Say bye to Saigal. You'll probably see him after what, 3-4 months?
nah, maybe a year, bro. I like Jakarta. Or if big man comes to Jakarta, bro.
Yeah, if I go to Indonesia, which my plan is to first, explore every state in India before I go out.
Of course, we love India.
We love India. Desh ka paisa desh mein. Mostly because I don't have a passport. Okay. Yeah, I don't have a passport. Do you have?
I have a passport. How the fuck do you? So you've never been outside
Bro, the
India?
reason I don't have a passport is because, the government will start tracking you. Bro, then the government has your digital footprint, bro. Anyways, bro, Saigal, say bye.
See you guys, love you.
Say that's it for this vlog. See you guys in the next one.
Bobbies, that's it for this vlog. See you next Sunday. No, when do you go?
See you guys in the next one.